That's right, YouTubers. 2 horsepower. This is my very old lawnmower I got. Yes, people, those are rivets. Look, those right there are rivets. The weld's there. It's a Briggs & Stratton, 2 horsepower, easy spin starting. It's a 4-cycle. Gasoline engine, made in USA. It is a trimmer home model. This is a really great old machine, and yes, it does run. It runs beautifully. Sounds like a 4-wheeler when it runs. So you got your whatever it's called. Makes that thing move. Makes that thing work. See how that tightens up? Yeah, that's what that does. This does have self-propelled. It does push itself around. See how that's dropping? It just hangs there. It lifts that up. I do run this on 91 octane because back then they would run these off of I believe leaded fuel. So I run it off of higher octane because the leaded fuel would give it more of a kick. See, this is a Briggs & Stratton Corporation. And it's a model, type, and code right there. So, yeah, I have no idea what model, or I know what the model is. It's the home model, but I have no idea what year it is. If you do, go down at the bottom of the screen and tell me. I'd greatly appreciate it. Got a new spark plug on it. I did have the original spark plug. The original spark plug worked good, if not great. But I replaced it anyways because it just needed to be replaced. Now I'm going to start it up for you guys. I did have it running a little bit later today. I pulled it out of my shed for the first time in a long while. So here we go. I'm going to start it up for you. Kill button. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of mowing for you guys to show you how it works and how it kicks grass everywhere. So I shut it off so I could tell you what I was going to do because you can't hear me while it's running. So here we go. See there, it says stop on it. It runs beautifully. Nice and move 2 horsepower. I don't know if that's the actual horsepower. Should be, that's what it says. Probably been pumping out a little bit more since I've been running 91 in it, so. It's an awesome old lawnmower. Hope you enjoyed the video. And go over there and subscribe to me. I got a bunch more videos on lighters and destroying things, which is cool. Especially when they're on fire and you throw them off your roof and they go boom when they hit the ground. So check out my videos, subscribe so you can get my newest videos. See you later. See you later, YouTubers.